Guys, again welcome. Today we'll discuss regarding Warner AI supporting indicator. What default indicator you are getting, and what are the rest indicator features you will be getting in Warner AI supporting indicator. So we'll be discussing on chart. You can see the default whenever you apply the indicator, you will get this visibility. In some case, if you get this type of narrow bars, so how you have to update this, increase this bar height and width, we'll be discussing first. So once you go to this, you can see these time zones here, 23 date, 22 date. Click on here, you will see this type of arrow. You can see this type of arrow. Once you click here and just move it, drag it, it will zoom and unzoom, okay, widely. For width you can use this, and for height you can go over here. You can see this arrow, right, mouse arrow my, okay. Once you click here and zoom up and down, you can see the candle are increasing, right. By this you can increase the chart and adjust it accordingly as per your need, okay. So if you get default like this, then you can increase like this, clicking over here, okay. I hope it's understood to you, okay. So now we'll discussing. Let me hide this above chart, and let's discuss what exactly this indicator is used for. Right? This is the default indicator. I hope you guys already referred this video earlier, so no need to discuss about this specific indicator. Okay, what this indicator? Let me show you in short. It's a buy trend, right? Below blue line, you can see the range bound, right. Even you can see the white candle that shows RSI 60/40 zone. You can see this is the range bound, this is the sell trend, okay. This also sell trend. So this is the simple, easy to understand indicator actually. So you can see again this happen. So once I do like this, zoom in and wide, it will show up and chart. And whenever you do this, make sure you save it over here above. Once you save, it will show default whenever you reopen the chart. Okay, now let's go to the settings part for this EI supporting indicator. So I'm just hiding this indicator actually, because I do not use want to discuss about this we have already discussed. What raised features you are getting, right, that will be discussing. I have just unchecked this default indicator. You can see this was the default. I have just uncheck it. We'll use next another indicator. This is the TGADX indicator which we were already using in Ravan screener. So let me just check mark this and show you this, how exactly the indicator looks. You can see the indicator is looking like this, right. Here you can see the blue candle, blue line that indicates RSI. This red line indicates DI plus, green line, sorry, and red line indicates DI minus, okay. And this yellow line, it's an ADX line, right. You can fully customize this indicator again, I said, right. From here style section, you can whole customize it. You can see DI plus, DI minus, everything you can change, okay. Everything you can change, okay. So this is the indicator. Exactly how to use this TGADX indicator, I have already developed the same indicator video. I'll come up with this, okay. I'll add in the playlist in future. So this indicator indicates you the buy sell trend, everything. When you're this, let me discuss about this RSI, that is must. Whenever you see this sky blue line in between this gray zone is the range bound zone, guys, okay. Whenever you see this blue line, like I can say sky blue line in this gray zone, market will be in range. Gray zone I have plotted as 60/40. You can customize it as per your need, okay. So when you can see whenever it's a 60/40 zone, you can see the white candles on the chart, white candles, okay. And I also keep one another feature, overbought and oversold. Those who are not aware, or whenever you see the buy signal trending move, and you can see the purple candles over here. What this purple candle indicates, that is overbought zone. You can see here also it's got a overbought zone. This background, you can see the yellow, green color, that indicates overbought zone. Here you, let me show you in past, maybe there is oversold. Okay, see here, this is the oversold zone. This is also oversold zone, right. So accordingly you can identify the high and bottom end of the chart. Okay, that really helps you to identify. Okay, so now I hope this is understood. ADX conditions will be discussing. I'll share the video for that separately. Actually, how exactly use this ADX indicator, right? How this actually this is not need. If you are already using Ravan screener indicator, you are, guys are already aware of this. But if not, I already made this video separately. How to use this ADX indicator? Okay, that I'll be come up with you soon. Okay, now I'm unchecking this TGADX and just using this TG booster MACD indicator. So what this indicator actually tells you, right? It shows trend based indicator, right? It's fully trend based indicator, right? You can see this is the resistance line, this is the sell zone, and this is the buy zone. Whenever you see this red line below this green line, whenever the line is so sorry, whenever the line is below green line and you see the line changes into green color, the buy trend continues. You can see the buy trend continues over here, right? And similar, whenever you see the red line above this red line, this is the upper upper bound and this is the lower bound. This is the below lower bound, you have to look only for buy signal. You can see below lower bound, this is the lower bound. Below the lower bound, whenever you see the line in green, you have to look for only a buy signal. And above the line, you have to look for only the sell signal. You can see here, this is the sell signal. It has performed but not that much. I can show you the another big moves. You can also see this move for sell. You have to compare these specific with our indicator. Okay, once it's a fully the buy trend, so it's not showing like that. Okay, you can see this is the sell signal. The line is above this, upper bound. You can go for a sell signal like this. This is the noise. You can see in between whenever you get a signal, it's completely a noise. You can see the sell signal, powerful signal. So whenever the green line, red line is above upper bound, you can see the perfect move. Okay, so this is the STC indicator. It's based on MACD, right? Okay, so I hope this can also help you for smoothing your journey. Now let's use this stochastic RSI. I just check mark the stochastic RSI. You can see the stochastic RSI. It shows upper band and lower band, right? 75 and 25. I think it's plotted 75 and 20, 70-20 zone, 80-20 zone. Okay. So you can see here whenever the line is below 20, you can see here is the buy zone and then this is the sell zone. Buy zone, sell zone. I hope RSI is simple indicator, guys. Like uh, above you have to buy and below you have to sell, right? Those who want to use the stochastic RSI indicator, you can see, guys, this is the wow trend. Wow, right? So I hope people are already using this indicator, so no need to discuss. But this is a simple RSI, stochastic RSI indicator, that helps you to smoother your trades. This also trend based. You can see the crossover and then the market moves. Crossover, then the market moves. Crossover, then market moves. Okay, so this also help you for better trading. Next, we have used RSI divergence indicator. Those who are using divergence, that will definitely help you to understand the bearish signal as well as the bullish signal. Okay, whenever there is a bullish signal, the divergence will show the bullish trend. You can see here the bull confirmations. Here is the bearish confirmation. Okay, so this indicator shows you bull and bear divergence, bullish and bearish divergence on the chart. Okay, so it's totally trend based, right? Means RSI divergence is a very popular indicator. We'll come up with the detailed video. Just I'm updating the features as of now, guys. Okay, I'll come up with the whole playlist indicates everything in detail. So this is the divergence indicator. Based on requirements, we have added this indicator on the chart. Next, we have added the MACD indicator. This is also very popular. I do not use specifically, but based on public demand we have added this indicator. You can customize it value as per your need. It's generally based on crossover only. This indicator you works, right? Whenever the MACD 1 and MACD 2 crossover, market gets bullish momentum. Similar on the inverse side, whenever the crossover gets red crosses the blue line, sell signal continues. Okay, it works like that. Okay, so this is the MACD indicator. Next indicator we have used HM cloud. This indicator at first. Okay, I'm just using this HMO cloud. This indicator itself identifies, update you regarding the trend. It shows you the trend going red and green. You can see this red indicates sell and green indicates buy trend. Whenever this line is above green, you will see the buy trade. Below red, it shows the sell signal. You can see. Okay, this trend identification indicator, HMO cloud score indicator. Okay, this is also very well known indicator if people are using. It's already help you for identifying smoothing your trades according. You can see the whole market is in bullish. The market moves very well. So these are the noise, right? I already discussed in previous video that how to remove this noise using our cloud indicator. Cloud, use cloud signals only, so all this noise will be getting removed, right? So this is very powerful indicator, guys. All features I think we have discussed, HMO cloud, everything we have discussed now. Still, if you have any confusion, feel free to call. I'll always come up with the detailed video of this. So be in touch. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment to the video. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. Thank you, thank you, guys.